Hello everyone, in this video, we will see how to withdraw money from Google Opinion Rewards. Launch the Google Opinion Rewards app on your Android device. Make sure you are signed in with the Google account linked to your rewards. Once in the app, you will see your current balance, which represents the amount you have earned by completing surveys. Look for a section or option within the app that allows you to redeem or cash out your earnings. This is typically located in the app settings or payment section. Google Opinion Rewards offers various payment methods depending on your region. The most common methods are Google Play credits and PayPal credits. These credits can be used to purchase apps, games, movies, books, and other content from the Google Play Store. If you prefer cash, you can choose to receive your earnings via PayPal. If you opt for PayPal as your payment method, ensure your PayPal account is linked to your Google Opinion Rewards account. Follow the prompts to link your PayPal account, providing any necessary details to complete the connection. Once you have selected your method and linked your account, proceed to redeem your earnings. Enter the amount you wish to redeem. Note that there may be minimum withdrawal limits. Review the redemption details, including the amount and payment method. Confirm the redemption to initiate the withdrawal process. After confirming the redemption, Google Opinion Rewards will process your withdrawal request. The processing times varies but is typically quick for digital rewards like Google Play credits. PayPal transfers may take a few days to process. If you choose Google Play credits, they will be added to your Google account and can be used immediately for purchases on the Google Play Store. If you selected PayPal, the funds will be transferred to your PayPal account once the processing is complete. If you receive cash via PayPal, you can keep the funds in your PayPal account for future purchases or transfer them to your linked bank account. If you found this video helpful, you can thank me with a like and subscribe to the channel. See you in another video.